All right, team, pull the belts tight. Guide him onto the ramp. Steady now, watch the legs. Keep tension on the lines. He's on the truck. Lock it down, secure the harness. Belt secure, lift it slow. Whoa, it's thrashing, hold steady. Load complete.
This is one of the world's most exclusive and secretive leather manufacturing facilities. Tanning pH is stable at 3.8, temperature holding at 38, brown line is leading. 5.
Frost rates of 58%. That's excellent efficiency.
Agreed. Monitor for any anomalies. The journey begins with something rare, something prehistoric. Every piece of dinosaur hide begins its journey inside strictly controlled preservation chambers. The gauge is stabilizing, reading dinosaur hide now. Thickness confirmed at 12.35 millimeters. Excellent. Approved. From preservation to transformation, the real process begins now. Inventory dashboard is current, all premium hides are logged. Standard stock shows a small variance, I'll flag it for review. The cleaning process removes impurities from each dinosaur hide while preserving its prehistoric strength. Careful with the ratios. Confirm the 1-to-1 mix. Yes, Mr. Khan. First component at 50 ml. Good. Now the second. The tablet is logging. Adding the second now. The level is rising.
Initiating pH adjustment. Target is 7.0. Slider engaged. Precision adjustment now. Confirmed at 7.0. Cycle is stable.
In EcoDino Solutions Factory, used water from washing dinosaur hides is sent to an advanced filtration system, removes contaminants, recycling the water for reaccess. This closed-loop system promotes sustainability.
Check the surface tension for consistency.
Adjusting the left side now.
Good, the structure looks intact.
Tanning transforms raw dinosaur skin into durable, high-value dinosaur leather. Cleaned, prepared, ready for transformation into luxury.
Levels are optimal for the tanning process. Composition is at 98% active. This batch is approved. Mr. Khan, the pH is stable at 4.2.
Good. And the absorption rate?
It's right on target at 92%. Excellent. Let's check the next batch. Right this way.
The grade A hides are perfectly stacked. Let's confirm the report. Report matches 45 grade A, 60 grade B, all cleaned and pre-dried. Excellent. This batch is ready.
Calibrating first sheet. Target is 5.00 mil. First reading 5.01 mil within tolerance. Second sheet loading. Checking uniformity.
Dinosaur leather strength, premium grade. Excellent. This is exactly what we need. Only the strongest and most flawless dinosaur leather moves forward. Let's see the delta E. Excellent. Well within tolerance. From prehistoric strength to refined luxury, the transformation continues. Color defines luxury. Precision defines perfection.
Initiating application now. Flow rate at optimal. Quantity level stable, softness will be maintained. Process complete, fibers are fully conditioned.
Even in a world of automation, craftsmanship still matters. This is where luxury begins to take shape. The lighting is optimal, the patterns are clear. No visible flaws on this section, quality is maintained. Tactile test passed, this batch is approved.
Initiating projection alignment on the leather sheets. Verifying seam tolerances now. Alignment is optimal, pattern match confirmed at 99.8%.
The stitching is excellent. Ensure the edges align perfectly. Yes, Mr. Khan, aligning now. Good. Now secure the hardware, tapping the buckle into place. Perfect. This piece will be exceptional. Precision stitching ensures strength worthy of its prehistoric origin. From rare dinosaur leather to statement fashion pieces.
This panel is ready. Check the edge consistency.
Looks good. Starting the stitch inspection now. Stitches are perfect, uniform tension.
Excellent. Let's get this batch approved.
Handbag texture is flawless. Moving to the wallet.
Agreed. The wallet stitching is perfect.
Checking the jacket.
Jacket lining is smooth. Checklist complete.
All items approved.
Final inspection complete. The seal is perfectly applied, confirming certified premium dinosaur leather.
True luxury is not only crafted, it is presented. Approval confirmed. Proceed to shipping. Understood, sir. From this facility to the world's most exclusive fashion houses. Inside the Dinosaur Leather Factory, where prehistoric power meets modern luxury. This is the full process. Born in the prehistoric era, perfected by modern precision.